Hey y'all, welcome to my kitchen. Before we get to the recipe, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up for this video. Now today we're going to be making some cinnamon almonds. If you like almonds, you'll really like this recipe. It's very simple to put together. First, you're going to want to preheat your oven to 250 degrees. And then you're going to want to prepare a cookie sheet and put some parchment paper on it. And you're going to have a Ziploc bag. You're going to have a large bowl, and you're going to have, of course, the almonds, and we're going to have some cinnamon and water, vanilla, sugar, and some salt, and an egg white. Now, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and put your dry ingredients in your Ziploc bag. Just pour it in. And then we're going to shake this bag up. Kind of mix these ingredients together. And then we're going to set this to the side while we mix our other ingredients. Now you can actually make these also with pecans if you have pecans. If you prefer that instead of an almond, you can actually use that. Okay. Now let's go ahead and put our other ingredients in our bowl. And what we're going to do is whisk this until it's kind of frothy. You can use a small whisk or a fork, whichever one you have. I just have a small whisk that I'm going to use. All right, and then what we're going to do is we're going to put our almonds in here and we're going to coat them with this. All right, let's go ahead and put our almonds in. You want to have a spoon handy so you can stir it up. All right, let's pour them in there. And then we're just gonna toss the almonds until we can get them covered with this mixture. That way the dry ingredients will stick to it. Now, after this, we're gonna put it in the bag and we're gonna shake them up to get them coated. All right, they look like they're pretty much coated. So now let's go ahead and get them in our Ziploc bag. And then you're gonna shake them all up. So let's go ahead and get them in. Now, once we do this, you wanna lay them out on your cookie sheet in a thin layer. Get them all in here. If you like nuts, this is a good way to make them. This way you can have them for your holiday gatherings. You can share them with your friends or family, or if you just like a snack, this will be a good thing for y'all to try. Because I love almonds and I love it with this coating on it because I like cinnamon and sugar. All right. Get these last few out. And then let's seal the bag up. And you're just going to give it a good toss. That way it gets all covered. All right. Looks like they're covered pretty evenly. And then we're going to go ahead and put them on our cookie tray. Now, once you get them in the oven, you're going to turn them every 15 minutes. And you're going to keep them in there for 1 hour. All right, let's go ahead and get these spread out evenly on our tray. And like I said, every 15 minutes, you're going to want to stir these. All right, well, we're going to go ahead and get these in the oven. And then when we come back, I'll show you how they look. Okay, y'all, as you can see, we've got our cinnamon almonds out of the oven. They smell delicious. You want to let these cool down completely before you store them in an airtight container. Now, one thing you could do if you have an almond lover that you know likes these type of things, you could put them in a little jar and give them as a teacher or a Sunday school teacher gift. Would be really nice this time of year. Anyway, I hope that y'all will like my channel and subscribe and click on the bell for notifications for upcoming videos. I try to post every week, so I hope that y'all won't miss out on any of those. I hope that y'all have a wonderful day, and thanks so much for watching.